Welcome back. The Children's Court has granted anticipatory bail to the accused headmistress of Taleigao-based Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso. The court has granted bail on a personal bond of 10,000 rupees and a surety of like amount. Maria Zita Afonso has been booked for alleged physical and mental harassment to students of the school.
The designated Children's Court on Friday granted anticipatory bail to the tainted headmistress of Taleigao-based Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso. But the court has put certain conditions for bail. She has been granted bail on a personal bail bond of 10,000 rupees and a local surety of like amount. The court has also directed Maria Zita Afonso to appear before the investigating officer every day for a week for questioning. Panji police has booked Maria Zita Afonso for alleged physical and mental harassment of students of the school. Later, Directorate of Education has directed the accused headmistress not to visit the school. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
European Union Film Festival begins in Panji from Saturday. Entertainment Society of Goa will host 19th European Union Film Festival from 26th April to 4th May in Panji. This is the fourth time this festival is being showcased in Goa. 19 films from 19 European countries will be screened at the festival.
Vice Chairman of ESG Damu Naik, Consul General of Hungary in Mumbai Dr. Norbert Revai-Berry and others briefed media on Friday. Dr. Norbert said that it's a good opportunity for Goans to watch different movies from Europe.
But this film festival really gives the opportunity to us that you can watch other national movies, which I think by quality really match up all the big films and so, but you rarely have the opportunity to watch them.
Theme of this year's European Film Festival is Voices of Youth. Hungarian movie Fresh Air will open the film festival. Delegation of European Union to India and embassies of member states have jointly organized the festival. Besides Goa, this film festival will be hosted in 9 other Indian cities. While addressing media, Damu Naik said that ESG is planning more festivals for children and general public. He said that ESG will definitely host Goan Film Festival this year. He also promised to sort out the difficulties of Goan filmmakers.
Animated filmaचो जो हे आसा फेस्टिवल तो जावपाचो आसा चिल्ड्रन फिल्म फेस्टिवल जून जुलय म्हयन्यान परत आसा आणि गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवल फक्त तारीख आम्ही आता विचार करपाक रावल्यात.
Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Sporting Club de Goa will conduct selection trials to select trainees for its SCG Football Academy from April 29 to May 8 at 4 centres across Goa. The SCG Academy, based at Don Bosco High School campus in Panji, intends to select talented boys from under 14, under 16 and under 20 age groups.
In keeping with our motto, growing Goa's game, Sporting Club de Goa is proud to announce all Goa selection trials to join the SCG Football Academy. The selection trials will be held from 29th of April to the 8th of May and will take place at 4 different venues in the state of Goa, covering both the districts, north and south, so that the opportunity is given to every Goan who want to fight out their place or to strive hard to get a place in our academy. The venues to be utilized in the north are Don Bosco Panjim and Dulair Stadium Mapsa, while in the south it shall be Navini Ground and Raya. The trials will be split up into 3 categories: under 14, under 16, and the third slot will be an amalgamated of under 17, under 18, under 19 and under 20. It is the club's main aim to get, or to rather to give opportunity to maximum number of Goan talent, and that is why these trials are being arranged covering both the districts.
Entry fee or admission fees for the boys?
No admission fee, no entry fee. Free academy? Purely on merit. Purely on merit. Under 14 boys, no? If you could see the talent in the under 14 boys. The skill and all that. Although they lost 2-0, but the talent, the way they were playing, holding the ball was evident. I think this is the best performance. Today's this team which you saw, because they are on the verge of winning. If they had won today's match, they would have been champions. They have got another 2 matches, any one they win, they will be champions.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.